Okay, it just came to my mind in part 2 video. My wires going to the snap disc right here. The terminals broke off the end. I had them soldered on, the wires broke, and I was having trouble, so I just twisted them together. So there's nothing going to either of those. So it's just running wide open right now. It's been going, I don't know, probably about a half hour or so since I shot the previous video, and then this just came to my mind now. So grab my temp gun if I can find it. There it is. Okay. So you can see, let's see. With the heater running wide open. Okay, there's about 180 roughly. Got the heater running wide open, about 180 degrees. These wires here, they just shut the burner off when the snap disc cools off enough, because thermostat on the side here controls, what does it? Okay, thermostat on the side controls the relay that controls the heater, and when the heater heats up enough, turns the snap disc on, and that turns the burner on. The original thermostat wires go to the snap disc. So when it's running, thermostat here, room is up to temp, so that clicks off. So that's just the heater off. And it will run until the oil cools off enough. Then the snap disc will opening the thermostat wires and shut off. And when the thermostat kicks on, it turns the heater on, and there will be a delay, and the burner will kick on, and the cycle continues. So I saw these wires here, so I figure I better clarify that. So thanks for looking.